The first thing you'll encounter at the hangar is the pedestrian door. The hangar door should always be locked, however there is a key inside the key box. To open the key box, enter the code and then squeeze and hold the latch at the top. If the code is entered incorrectly, it must be reset with the bottom latch. Usually, the first thing you'll want to do in the hangar is to get the key to your aircraft. Aircraft keys are kept in a box at the back wall of the hangar. Some aircraft are reserved for full members and are kept in a locked compartment inside the key box.
Alright, we got our key. What do we do next here, Larry?
Well, if you're going to clean the windows, you want to get the correct rag for the windows.
Okay, where's that?
The rags for the windows are here in the bucket, or the tub that says windows only. Those are microfiber ones. If you use a paper towel, you'll scratch the windows. So you only use these for the windows. If you're going to check your oil, that's what the paper towels are for, because those are disposable. After you use the rag, put the dirty rag in this one that marked for laundering the rags. And then this is the cleaner you need to clean the windshield. It's for plastic. Never use Windex or any ammonia product. It will destroy the plastic.
Okay, is there anything else that we need for the plane?
It will most likely need some oil. So you need to get an oil spout. So you'll take one of these. And then we'll go get a quart of oil. Oil is here in the boxes. You generally need 1 quart of oil. The same oil is used on all the airplanes. Okay, I've got the key.
I've got oil.
I got the rag.
Let's go fly. Larry, I think that tire might be a little bit low. How do I check the pressure and how do I pump it up if I need to?
Well, let's walk over to the compressor. I'll show you how to use that and how to use the portable air tank. So this is the air compressor and our portable air tank. Step 1, make sure the air compressor is plugged into the outlet. Number 2, take the hose, connect it up to the port on the air compressor. Make sure it's secure. Turn the on-off valve so it's in line with the hose. Turn the on-off valve here. Make sure it's in line with the hose. When the compressor gets to about 140 psi, the compressor will automatically shut itself off. Then you turn the valve horizontal, turn the valve on the tank horizontal, disconnect. The portable tank now is ready for use to go to the tire.
Larry, I noticed the compressor said 150 psi. Do I put 150 psi in the tire?
No, you will put in the correct air pressure as specified in the POH manual that is specific for each airplane, and it will be specific for each tire. Make sure the valve is turned on the tank. You're now ready to add pressure. You'll have to remove the valve stem cap, and then you can fill the tire with pressure, short bursts, and then the tire gauge will show you what your pressure is.
Okay. Larry, if I've got a check ride coming up, am I going to have to show the logbook for the airplane?
Yes, the examiner will want to see the logbook for the airplane you're taking the check ride in to make sure that it's airworthy and it's current.
Can you show me where they are?
Yes. The logbooks are stored in the third cabinet on the left. Enter the 4-digit combination. Open the cabinet, and they are located here on the shelves. When you take the logbook, be sure and sign them out. When you return it, be sure and sign them back in. If you were to lose those logbooks, the value of the airplane is significantly reduced.
Larry, how do we operate the hangar door?
Okay, well, let's go through that procedure. First thing you need to do is make sure that the personnel door is completely closed. Then we come over here to the door mechanism. To unlock the door, take a firm grip of the handle and turn it counterclockwise and give it a positive pull. That unlatches it. Now you turn the crank counterclockwise. Keep turning. Making sure this cable is very loose and the striker plate is well back from the micro switch. This is the micro switch that is the safety switch to make sure the door motor doesn't activate if the door is locked. Notice it's a very sensitive switch. It doesn't have to move much to activate. Make sure the striker plate is well back and that this cable is very, very slack.
Okay, Larry, looks like you've unlocked it. What's the next step?
The next step is to open the door. So I'll have you come over here, press the open button.
Okay, so how do we close the door?
You've just pressed the close button.
Now we're done. Thanks for flying with me. I appreciate it.
Well, we still have to secure the door,
Oh,
okay?
how do we do that?
So we come over to the handle and we start turning it clockwise. Door starts to close. The striker plate is engaged and the center plunger is engaged.